Guys, something big just happened. Let me sit down.
I was actually supposed to make a video about the Balkans today, but Armenia just joined the International Criminal Court, the ICC. So this is important because the ICC has the capacity to actually create international courts for countries like they did in Rwanda, in ex-Yugoslavia and in Sierra Leone, for example. But they can also issue arrest warrants, meaning that they can actually call for countries to arrest a certain person. That is what they have done for Vladimir Putin. Basically, this means that today Armenia, after joining the ICC, is legally obliged to arrest Vladimir Putin. But the fact is that Russia and Armenia are actually pretty close allies. They are friends and like each other. And the fact that Armenia joins the ICC goes back to the war for Nagorno-Karabakh, so this region of the world that is disputed between Azerbaijan and Armenia. This region has now been taken by Azerbaijan, and Armenia has said that it was disappointed in how its ally Russia and the Russian peacekeepers have just done nothing. So, the fact that Armenia joins the ICC means that they want to take the fight more legally. They want to have guarantees from the Western countries in order to have the recognition of this region to be Armenian. But Russia and Dmitry Peskov says that this decision was a wrong decision and an unfriendly move, meaning that this has spiked tensions between Moscow and Yerevan. Nevertheless, Armenia has clearly and rapidly calmed down the situation, saying that they have only acted in order to face Azerbaijan and not Russia. They even passed a bilateral deal, at least this is what is being said, with Russia, saying that they will never arrest Vladimir Putin if he comes to Armenia, which would actually go against international law, you know what I mean. So this whole situation is pretty complicated, no one really knows what's going on. The Western countries have been happy to see Armenia join the fight, well, join the International Criminal Court, but are they really part of the fight against Russia and Putin? No one knows for the moment, only Armenia knows. So, this is pretty big. Let's go.